again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the studio gallery. Oh, wait, I have a black shovel and dog hair. And I am going to have to mix up some new black paint pretty quick. I am going to give myself the opportunity to continue where I have left off today. But I think I'm going to do it completely differently. I think I might just do something not intended. With black, white, and gold. Because I can. And it's fun and cool. And I don't know where I'll go from there. I might not go anywhere. I might just save this for my own pleasure because it's pretty cool. Just let the shovel rest and it will deposit something you like. That's my theory anyway. I like the black and gold together. I didn't mean to leave my cottage cheese lids under there. I think I'm going to grab my Anita's white metallic and go back to the idea that I'm going to put all three colors in at once and see what happens. That is a Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I said it was Anita's. Let's go. I feel like I'm doing something right-handed that I should be doing left-handed. I'm going to try and go the opposite way from the last stroke. And if I had primed this canvas beforehand, I think it would have been eminently saleable. I'm not so sure about right now. They do come primed, and I'm not too worried about that myself. I can always make a print too. That's the gold. Where's the white? There it is. So, if you didn't see, I do sometimes stick a skewer in and just give a brief stir to whatever I'm a very funky chevron pattern that I'm really having a good time with. Really. And black, white, and gold seems to be working. I like the shovel stripes. I had some schmutz on my canvas. I'll work it out. I will. Oh, I definitely want to stir that. I might even want to put a little more white in there. Doesn't need much. I definitely want something here. I have GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. I want some more white there. Right here. Get my paint evenly across the front. I wasn't necessarily going to put something in there, but since it dripped, I figure I will anyway. And since it's still working out for me, I'm going to continue to encourage myself to finish doing what I'm doing. It's going to be a really short video. So I should tell you guys that I have over 91,000 subscribers, and if you're new, please be welcomed. If you have questions, please ask them. If I can help you find a link, I have over 1,800 videos organized by the 100 and by the topic or genre. And that is cool. I'm pretty happy with that. That could be a stage 1 for someone, even me. You could go back and fill in some other colors or something, but I don't think that's what I want to do. I just am enjoying the heck out of the shapes. I want some more white over here with some black. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link under the link tree, because when you do, it's at no extra cost to you, but it helps me out and I really appreciate that. So thank you for shopping my Teespring clothing also under the video. And that's a good place to find all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts should you be of interest. Should you be interested, and if you would like to have something turned into something of my design, then you should ask me. Use the hashtag in the video where you saw the artwork. If you're interested in making a purchase, that's a great way to make a purchase, is using the hashtag. And my email address is below the video, underneath the link tree. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and you can contact me through my email address below the link tree. Sorry, I'm being redundant. I'm trying to drain my shovel without ruining my painting, and I'm really liking the fun that I just had doing this. I want a drip. Probably should not let my OCD take over. I want to tell you guys that there is a monthly drawing every month. For those of you who support the studio through making a donation through PayPal or Patreon, you're automatically included when you do that, and you can see the prizes on the exhibition video on the end screen of any video. I usually update it. We'll see if I get to it this month. I'm going to try and stop myself now. No guarantee. I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. Remember, if you're going to do this, I recommend that you pre-prime your canvas with a white or a black background, or whatever color you want. A color would be great. And then you won't have this very canvasy texture. But I feel as soon as I put a coat of something like Liquitex varnish watered down thoroughly with some distilled water, I'll probably be okay with the finished result, and I think anybody who might want to purchase it might too. So what have I not told you guys? I have over 1,800 videos, and I told you that. My community board has tomorrow's video posted on it. My Linktree has Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fans and Collectors, which is a Facebook group along with other Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and more. That's for shopping. Fans and Collectors is for looking at the albums of edited artworks. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. And students can find tomorrow's video there often, and anybody can, really. You gotta join the group first, though. I have 2 books. One is Because I Can. The other one is Unlimited Possibilities. They are on the Linktree. I may have mentioned that. So there's no cells. I will quickly hit this with a torch. This is just a great pattern. I would put this on some leggings, maybe. If I feel like I need some more paint, I will probably just give myself a drop or two where I see some canvas and not worry about it, because I love the pattern. And now I'm going to have to do another one in the way I was meant to this last time. I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. If I didn't mention that you guys are allowed to ask me questions, and you should do so, please feel free to ask me questions. Look for my paint pouring recipe underneath the video. What else? What else? What else? Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are also on the Linktree, and Pinterest is where I post my most recent artworks most of the time. You can also find my website on that Linktree also. And I'm going to try and stop myself. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Know that I love you dearly. Bye for now. Priscilla out.